Looks like we got ourselves another unboxing. But this time, we got an unboxing with ghosts in shells. Let's see what this is all about. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Multi Brandon here. I'm doing another unboxing, as you could see from the previous video that just happened. Doing two unboxings today. Both of them are, of course, an anime. Again, as you saw from the other video just now. In my post-Christmas video, I got the Ghost in the Shell movie. So now I'm doing both of these. The first four borders, or the OVAs as you like to call them. Or whichever way suits best. So, without further ado, let's get to unboxing them. So we're going to do the first two, which is Arise, Ghost in the Shell, Borders 1 and 2. One being Ghost Pain and the other one Ghost Whispers. Actually, it makes me think of the show that my mom would always watch, Ghost Whisper. So, without further ado, I'm gonna take it out of its wrapping. So here we have the front, the spine of the box, and the back that says Control Alt and Destroy underscore. Actually, / Control Alt and Alt Destroy underscore. And kind of does make sense because it's like a computer type of thing. Empty box. The back says that it comes with extras. Ghost in the Shell, Arise at Anime Expo. Border 1, Cyberbrain, Night and Cast Night. IG Night and Cast Night talk shows. Border 2, US commentary. Lagicoma Beat, Decode 501 file. It's so interesting trying to read what these things say. Surface and Pacific Racing Team promos, commercials, Blu-ray and DVD spots, promotional video and news flashes, theatrical trailer, textless songs, and US trailer. And the back says the same thing, but for the other two borders. For the borders 3 and 4. And here are the Blu-rays. I'll do border 1 because it comes out basically the second border first when you look at it, because you take them out looking like this. So I'll do border 1 first. Here's the front of Ghost Pain, spine, back with Motoko. I mean, I know her name because I searched her up on Google. Blu-ray disc 1, Blu-ray disc, DVD disc. And it comes with a little booklet as well. I believe in the booklet it tells you about the story, character development, character designs, and it comes with back art too. get it out without breaking the disc. With back art as well. Ayúdame. ¿Quiere ayúdame?
No, gracias.
De nada.
Brando, trajo de queso. Deme
Sí.
uno, por favor.
I'll be back with you guys in just a little bit. Hey guys, I'm back. So I was just giving my grandmother some cheese bread that I just recently got from Gail going to the pizza place. And if you were wondering what I was asking if she needed help. So, you know, gotta be a good grandson, you know, right? So that was Border 1. And Border 2, which is Ghost Whispers. There's a front with Motoko doing her thing. The spine, the back, and of course she's the only one that is highlighted. and Blu-ray disc and DVD disc. I like how Funimation did like a certain color for what they are. For what it could be. And back art of the scenery. And as well, another little booklet as well for character development, scenery. So there's that was the first box, and now for the second box. This one is Borders 3 and 4, Ghost Tears and The Ghost Stands Alone. Well, let me just, get it out for you guys so you could see it. I didn't cut it, did I? Okay, did not. Thought I cut the box by a little bit. So here's a front, the spine, the back, and the two Blu-ray DVDs and discs. This is looking to be, and one of the boxes is open already. So, first one we'll be looking at is Ghost Tears. The front, the back, the spine, the back, and the disc also popped off as well. So here's the scenery of the city in the background. You guys could see. And Blu-ray disc and DVD disc. And another little booklet that describes, as I said before, like character development and scenery or possible outtakes from the cast members, like interviews with the cast members. And The Ghost Stands Alone, Border 4. The front, the back, and Motoka's badass picture in the back of it. I called this a back, didn't I? The spine, I meant to say. And might as well do it again. Motoko's badass picture. And again, when doesn't she look badass, right? I mean, this is the first time I may be seeing it. Might as well show you the discs first. The scenery, well, the disc, the DVD and Blu-ray disc. And the back art for here. I believe Motoko is in most of these back art scenery pictures for these things, the little sceneries. I think Motoko is in all of them. Motoko. And the booklet for the fourth border. Alright, that's pretty much all of them. That's all the OVAs. Alright, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like what you saw, just leave a like, leave a comment, or something down below. And I'll see you all next time. Or better yet, I'll see you guys next time. Maybe the next time I see you will be after I've seen all the ghosts in the shell that I could see before Scarlett Johansson's IRL movie adaptation comes out, which is the main reason why I got these and my Christmas Ghost in the Shell movie, so I could see what this is all about before seeing the anime adaptation. Well, Hollywood adaptation. So, thank you all so much for watching, and as always, guys, see you guys next time.